How to set up Proxy in Tiger AI with Proxy302. First, let's open www.proxy302.com and log in Proxy302. Then select and create a proxy. For example, we choose a static IP charged by traffic. We search US in country. Then click the button generated. By the way, Proxy302 supports HTTP and SOCKS 5 protocol. Click the blue button next to the proxy information to check detail of proxy. This window can quickly copy proxy information. And now, let's start the Tiger AI browser. First, click the blue button to create a browser window. Then, customizing the name, click blue button at the bottom to save the window. Next, click the gear button to update the proxy settings. After clicking the middle option, choose corresponding proxy type and paste the proxy information copied from Proxy302. We click the blue button to make sure proxy available and click lower right blue button to save with correct. Now click on the monitor light button to launch the browser window. Wait for a minute, then create a new tab and turn to this website to test. Detection result is consistent with Proxy302. Proxy connection is successful. Thank you for watching.